spooky, scary, exciting, funny Halloween skeletons. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel. Today we're gonna do some interesting and spooky skeletons with nice and beautiful and scary skeleton skulls. By the way, you can grab those for free in the comments down below. Also, today we're gonna learn some exciting Halloween vocabulary. For this we will need some Q-tips, a glue stick, scissors, black paper, and we need to cut out those ones. Which skull shall I use for my skeleton? I like this kind of skull. It's a kind of funny, but you can choose any skulls you like. Girls might go for this one. Yeah, the spooky one. I call this "What Happened, Guys" skull, and this is a cute, girlish skull, and this is I don't know anything about Halloween, guys. So let's take the scissors and cut it out. We take the glue stick and we need to glue it. This skull first. Let's glue it here, so properly. Then we take the spine, the first Q-tip, the cotton swab. So we just put it like this. So that's gonna be his spine. Okay. All right. Good. Now we need to cut this Q-tip in half to make its bones. All right. Once you have cut the bones, you need to glue them again. So just put the cotton swab here and neatly just glue it. And on the other side, so we've done on the right side, and now let's do it on the left side. Okay, now that we have done the body part, now let's do some arms and hands and fingers. Let's create the right hand first. We've done the right arm, and now we have to make the hand and fingers. So our skeleton will have 4 fingers and a hand. Okay, now that we have done the right hand, what do we need to do? Correct, let's do the left hand. And always praise your children. Tell them how good they are, how well they've done that. Just say, oh great, that's great job for everything that they do. Just praise them. They need this positive feedback because it's very important and very helpful for them in order to build self-confidence. And of course, every activity must be fun and enjoyable. This is the way to success and enjoyable learning. Okay, now that we've done the left hand, we need the left arm, we need to do the left hand and fingers. Now that our skeleton has a body, a right arm, a right hand and some fingers, the left arm and the hand and 4 fingers, what do we need to do next? Correct, we need to do some legs. How many legs has our skeleton got? Let's make it 2. We have 1 foot but 2 feet. All right, so now that we have the ready skeleton with all the body parts, now it's ready. Now it's gonna dance. So that's gonna be a very spooky and funny skeleton that you can do with your kids at home today and learn some new vocabulary. And if you want to learn more Halloween vocabulary, you just follow this new video where we'll be drawing a monster and learning new vocabulary related to body parts. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.